Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show where I talk about today a GoPro Hero. So in my last vlog, I talked about Bagel Hike and how I changed the bagel store, found a different store, and I made my review. And here I am with the GoPro. It's not the Hero 13, and GoPro basically just not concentrating on Insta or DJI. They're just concentrating on their own. They're trying to make things happen. And what they've done is they put on the side a magnetic wireless connection where the door is at. So basically, it'd be less troublesome when people out there don't know how to open and close doors, and they just close it and they dunk it, and the camera is dead in the water. Of course, they ingested water. They made special ND filters, anamorphic lenses, so this way when it goes onto the camera, it senses the lens and tells you exactly what's on there and other things. Basically, they just improved upon their camera model. They didn't improve upon the sensor size. They kept to the same sensors as the GoPro Hero 11, the 12, and today the 13. And what they did, they heard everybody out there complaining about, why did you remove the GPS? And the GPS is now back in the camera. And they also allowed a Bluetooth connection with the DJI Mic 2 and other types of mics. That's the only thing they have done. They haven't released their own Bluetooth wireless mic. I stuck to the Hero 10. I like the Hero 10. It's got a lot of things better than what the DJI may not have, and DJI's got a lot of better things that the Hero may not have. The one thing I like better about the DJI is when we shut it off, it has its tones. We're stuck with the old official tone with GoPro, just of a beep. That is so outdated, it's time to change that out, but will GoPro do that? Well, I am shooting with the GoPro Hero 10. It's not the best low light shot camera, and people are saying, oh wow, the Insta360 Ace Pro is the best low light camera on the market. Well, yeah, and other people are saying that the DJI Osmo Action 4 is great for low light, and the Pocket 3 is the best low light performance camera on the market for that. So a lot of people have mixed sayings, and they like this camera, that camera, and other cameras, all these cameras they like and share to you. I don't love the Action 4 as much as I love the Hero 10, and I don't love the Hero 10 as much as I love the Action 4. Meaning, I don't love the camera because sometimes it fails, and it did fail when I wanted the perfect shot of the sand cleaner. It went into time-lapse mode, and I turned the camera on and didn't touch anything. Right now I'm a little bit tilted and I don't have horizon balance on, because if I walked over to the camera and started to grab, what would happen? The camera would start to do one of these and straighten out. That's what happens with HB and DJI. So all my shots right now are on Rocksteady and not Rocksteady Plus or Horizon Balance. Well, maybe the Action 5 that comes out in the near future will have Horizon Balance correctly put into the camera at 360 degrees no matter what you do. But it won't happen on 4K. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of me talking about cameras, the Hero, and putting in some footage and showing you what that camera is about in the vlog. A tunnel of Yellen is busy with cars. I am Fish. See you on the next one. I don't know why people gotta follow you, get right behind you. Oh, parking spot.